In this video, I reveal the secrets and weaknesses women keep hidden. These are the weaknesses they don't want you to know because once you do, they'll be too vulnerable to your seductive charm, and you'll have the upper hand without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in. The first weakness is consistency. Women crave a man who is consistent with his words and actions. This is why they're often drawn to men who speak less, because when you talk less, it's easier to deliver on what you promise. Women are all about actions over words, so make sure every word you say is backed by visible actions. For instance, if you want a woman to see you as an attractive, high-value man desired by many, introduce her to your female friends. Show her photos of you with other women. Take pictures with your female friends and post them on social media. When she checks out your profile, the consistency between your image and reality will be undeniable. Next up is confidence. When a man exudes confidence, women can't help but be drawn to him. They often struggle with their own insecurities, so a confident man makes them feel empowered and capable. Here's how to showcase your confidence and become irresistibly attractive to women. 1. Speak with conviction. Cut out the fillers and talk with certainty. Own your words. 2. Speak less and listen more. Let her share about herself. Women love feeling heard. Plus, your silence creates an air of mysterious charm, making her eager to know more about you and hope for a future encounter so she can learn more about you. 3. Be able to say no to her. This simple act will elevate your importance in her eyes, far above the men who cater to her every whim. If you do these things, you'll radiate confidence and she'll be irresistibly attracted to you. Stick around until the end of the video, because the last weakness I'm going to reveal is a game changer. You'll be able to leverage it so effectively that you won't even have to try to win her over. Something else will do it for you. Stay tuned. Let's talk about ambition. Women are irresistibly drawn to a man with ambition, a man who doesn't settle for a mundane life and aims higher than the bare minimum. Women aren't just looking at the potential money from you. They see a leader, a man brimming with testosterone, taking calculated risks to chase his dreams. To project yourself as a man with ambition, do this. 1. Think of a business idea or hobby you're passionate about. 2. Dedicate at least half an hour daily to developing your skills for that idea or hobby. 3. Take action. Knowledge without action is worthless. Make your move and show her what you're made of. When you start thinking with a big vision and taking action, you'll exude the aura of a successful leader in her eyes. The next weakness is very interesting as it reveals an intriguing behavior observed in women. If you're digging the insights in this video, click the like button. And hey, if you're hungry for more wisdom, join my free email newsletter. Links in the description below. The next weakness is the bad boy effect. Women are drawn to bad boys' traits like moths to a flame, often becoming infatuated to the point of obsession. But what's the allure? Studies suggest that women derive immense pleasure from intense emotions, something these men effortlessly evoke. Here's how to tap into that bad boy allure and drive them wild. 1. Embrace carefree flirting. Flirt with women solely for your amusement and not to impress them. 2. Have boundaries. If she does not respect your boundaries, then let her go and find someone else who does respect your boundaries. Do not change who you are and what you want in life just to please her. 3. Do not seek approval, attention, or reaction. You don't care if she likes you or not. You know that you are a king, and if she does not see that, then it is her loss. Embrace these traits and watch as women become captivated by your irresistible bad boy charm. Next up is to ignore hot girls. Women thrive on competition and love a good challenge. When you ignore a woman who is not used to it, you instantly become the focal point of her attention. Ignoring her hits her pride and stirs up insecurities. She will think, why isn't this man giving me the usual attention? Am I not attractive enough? Master the art of ignoring a very attractive woman, and you'll see how quickly you become her obsession. She'll stop at nothing to capture your attention and win your affection. But how do you execute this strategy effectively? 1. Treat her like anyone else, denying her the special treatment she craves. 2. Employ the push-pull technique, but be strategic. If done incorrectly, it can backfire. If you're keen to learn more about mastering the push-pull principle, check out my video titled, How to Make Any Woman Chase You. Another weakness that drives women crazy is preselection. Women are irresistibly drawn to men who appear to attract other women, Being chosen among others makes them feel uniquely special. Despite knowing you may have eyes for other women, they'll go to great lengths to win your favor. This taps into a psychological phenomenon where women find a man multiple times more attractive if he's desired by other women or already in a relationship. To exploit this effect, start befriending all females you meet and surround yourself with them. Even if there's no romantic interest, you'll effortlessly draw in the one you desire because you've triggered the preselection effect in her mind. If you want a deeper dive into leveraging the preselection phenomenon to attract women, drop a comment below. The last weakness is emotional discipline. Women are highly attuned to emotions, making a man who can navigate his own feelings very desirable to them. Unfortunately, many men today struggle with many inner demons, making them more emotional and less masculine. That's why mastering your emotions is crucial if you want to wield them to your advantage. How? It's simpler than you think. When conversing with the girl you fancy, listen intently, maintain eye contact and nod along. When she sees you genuinely paying attention, she'll feel a sense of security in your presence. Have confident and relaxed body language. If she sees that you are relaxed and confident, then that will make her feel more calm and safe around you, which will make you someone she wants to be in the presence of, so she can feel that feeling of calmness. Lastly, shake up her surroundings. Take her to a new cool place, perhaps to catch a breathtaking view while you eat and dine together. Her brain will thank you for the change of scenery, and you'll effortlessly become her weakness. Master having this calm, confident aura, and you will passively attract women, and they will desire to be in your presence. If you found value in this video, click the subscribe button to join our community of men leveraging female psychology to attract amazing women into their lives. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or requests, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and goodbye for now.